One shot prompt is required when the output you need should be structured, should be in a specific format. In one shot prompt, in addition to sharing clear instructions, you write an example in the prompt of what the output should look like. For example, I am writing a financial blog and I want to write a little about net operating income. I'll ask ChatGPT, explain what net operating income is, and see what the answer is going to look like. Okay, so it has given us two paragraphs. I need to go through the entire part to find the relevant thing for me. And you can see the answer it has given me, it is not in a usable format. I cannot directly copy paste it in my article. I have to amend it so that I can use it in my article, and that is not efficient. Let's see how I can solve this problem. I'll start the prompt with a line that says you are a real estate investment trainer. This line will bring in domain expertise and will bring in specificity in the output. The second part, I shared the example that this is the output type you should give me in response to my question. In the last, I asked it my exact question, what is net operating income? Let's see if the answer I get this time is in the usable format and if it is consistent. You see, first line is the definition, exactly as I shared in my prompt example. Second is the formula, in the same manner I have shared in my example. Third is the example of the net operating income. As a reader, you need to know three things about a financial concept. Number one is the main concept, that is the definition. Number second is the formula, and third is the example. In this prompt, it did not know what exact things do I need. It tried to answer me and give me as much information as it could. It gave me a general response and a general structure. But when I asked it in a specific manner that these are the things that should be there in the output, it followed the format and gave me a consistent output that can be used by me in the article.